I tried to format using my mobile phone, failed. I tried to format using a laptop, failed. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muniana Dhirambadru, Yogo to Tech Savvy Virtual Assistant, providing administrative and social media support to business owners and content creators globally in different time zones. A few days ago, I was trying to access my data, my files using my mobile phone on my SD card, but I could no longer access it. I tried to figure it out what the problem was. I had to check in Gallery to confirm if the files were really not existing anymore. And opening the gallery, I could no longer see the card, but was definitely inserted. So I went to my files, I scrolled down, and the SD card could not be read. It was saying not inserted, but was inserted. I definitely wanted to retry the fact on the SD card on the system. So I went to settings on my mobile phone, scrolled down, and then I clicked on device care. Then clicked on storage, and I clicked on the three dots, storage settings. So from storage settings, I went to the flash device and it was corrupted. The data on this SD card is corrupt. To use it, it must be set up. I tried to format the SD card using my mobile phone, but it failed formatting on the mobile phone. So I knew I had to take another step to see what I could do next to regain my SD card and the files on the SD card. The next step I did after trying to access the files on my phone, I inserted the SD card into the adapter, and the first thing I did was to back up my files on my laptop, though I already had some files backed up online on Google Drive and Samsung Drive. So after backing the files on the laptop, the next step I took was to go to the device manager. Then I had to open the control panel of the device manager. Then I had to scroll down to disk drives, and I had to go where my disk was, SanDisk. So I had to try to update the driver. So I had to search automatically for updates online, but that also failed. So after realizing I could no longer use the SD card, I failed to format it. What I did was to buy another SD card. Remember, I had some files backed up on Google Drive and others backed up on OneDrive. I was not so worried, so I just had to buy another new SD card. I just wanted to continue using my SD card. So when I failed to format the SD card that was corrupted, I just had to buy another one. So here are some tips to protect your files in case your SD card gets corrupted or it stops reading. 1. Always back up your data. You can use a cloud storage service such as OneDrive or Google Drive, or using an external hard drive. 2. Do not remove your SD card from your device while it's in use. This can cause data corruption in the long run. 3. Be careful not to drop your micro SD card. Dropping it can damage the internal components. 4. If you think your SD card is corrupted, try formatting it. You can use your mobile phone or use a laptop. This can sometimes fix the problem. However, you have to know that formatting it will erase all the data on it. So make sure you have a backup before you do this. And after formatting your SD card, try using recovery software. Finally, keep your SD card in a protective case. This will protect it from dust and dirt. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.